In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in MetaTrader 5 account. Let's get started right from the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once you have MetaTrader 5 open on your computer, the first thing you want to look for is the main menu at the very top of the window. On that menu bar, you'll see several options like File, View, Insert, and so on. For this process, we're going to focus on the File menu, because that's where all the basic account actions are found, including logging in. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the platform and click on File. This will open a drop-down list of options. This menu is where you can do things like open new charts, manage profiles, and most importantly for this video, access your trading account settings. From this drop-down list, find and click on the option that says Log into Trader Account. The exact wording might be very similar depending on your version, but it will clearly mention logging in and your trading account. Go ahead and click that. When you do, MetaTrader 5 will open a login window where you can enter your account details. Now you just need to follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll see fields for your login or account number, your password, and a place to select your server. Type in your trading account number exactly as it was given to you by your broker. Then enter your password carefully, paying attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters. Next, choose the correct server from the list. This is usually provided by your broker as well, and it's important to pick the right one so that MetaTrader 5 can connect to your specific account. If you're using a demo account, make sure you select the demo server. If it's a live account, choose the corresponding live server name. After you've entered everything, confirm the settings on the screen and click the button to log in. MetaTrader 5 will attempt to connect to the server using the information you provided. If the details are correct, you should see the connection status turn green in the bottom right corner of the platform, and your account balance and other information will appear in the terminal or toolbox area. If anything doesn't work, simply check the on-screen messages, carefully review your login, password, and server, and follow any prompts that appear. That's all there is to it. Click File, select Log into Trader Account,